Hi, this is Soft Cell Electrical, and I am your host, John. Welcome to episode number 20 for the Electrical Preparation Series. This is a test on Article 240, Overcurrent Protection. It's going to take a bit of reading on your part to get the answers, but as usual, you will find the exact article in which the answer lies at the bottom of the question. So let's get started. Number 1, true or false? In a situation where power loss could pose a hazard, short circuit protection shall not be required. Number 2, which is not a standard ampere rating? A, 110, B, 250, C, 900, D, 6,000. 3. True or false? Fuses may be arranged in parallel if done so in a clean and workmanlike manner. Number 4. True or false? Fire pumps powered between 150 to 600 volts do not require ground fault protection. Number 5. True or false? Circuit breakers will provide a source of disconnection of ungrounded conductors both automatically and manually. Number 6. True or false? Grounded single-pole breakers rated at 120, 240 volts and labeled handle ties shall not be used as protection for each ungrounded conductor, as in the case of a dishwasher disposal circuit. Number 7. True or false? No breaker will be connected in series unless it opens all conductors and all poles are opened together simultaneously. Number 8. True or false? Where a change in size occurs on an ungrounded conductor, the grounded conductor must remain the same size. Number 9. True or false? Overcurrent devices may be located where it is most convenient for ease of operation. Number 10. True or false? Overcurrent devices shall not be located in the vicinity of easily ignitable material like a clothes closet. Number 11. True or false? Under certain circumstances, overcurrent devices may be located over steps or stairways. Number 12. True or false? The operating handle of a circuit breaker can be accessible without opening the cover. Number 13. True or false? Exposed breaker handles that may suddenly move and cause injury must be guarded or isolated. Number 14. True or false? Plug fuses shall be used at a maximum 240 volts. Number 15. True or false? Only fuses or breakers in excess of 20 amps must be marked with its ampere rating. Before we go any further, I need to provide you with some information that will help you better understand and answer the next few questions. In very old dwellings, overcurrent was controlled mostly by replaceable screw-in fuses. The first type were called Edison fuses, or type T, and you were on the honor system to put the correct fuse for the correct rating. This type of fuse was changed to screw-in fuses that had different thread patterns for each amperage. These are known as type S fuses. Type S fuses took the error or cheating factor out of the fuse replacement. One more item, and that is called a rejection base. It is a device that allows the usage of type S fuses in type T fuse panels. Let's proceed to question number 16. True or false? Type S fuse holders will allow the use of type S fuses or type T fuses. Number 17. True or false? Type S adapters shall be designed so once they are inserted, they cannot be removed. Number 18. Which statement is incorrect? A. fuses will be marked with amperage. B. Fuses will be marked with voltage. C. Fuses will be marked with the maximum temperature. D. Fuses will be marked as current limiting where applicable. Number 19. Circuit breakers used for switches in 120 and 270 volt lighting that is fluorescent or high intensity discharge will be marked as A. FBL or HID, B. SWD or HDI, C. SWD or HID, D. FLF or HID. Number 20. True or false? Conductors will be protected by breakers or fuses that are equal to or less than the ampacity of the wire. Number 21. True or false? Overcurrent protection for feeders or branch circuits that exceed 600 volts can be located remotely if done in EMT or rigid conduit. Number 22. True or false? For currents exceeding 600 volts, the main breaker protecting a three-phase transformer may be a three-pole breaker. Number 23. True or false? For currents exceeding 600 volts, the overcurrent devices must be able to detect any combination of voltage and amperage that exceeds their trip setting or melting point. Number 24. True or false? For currents exceeding 600 volts, feeder taps can be protected by the breaker that protects the tap for those feeders. Number 25. For currents exceeding 600 volts, continuous load, the maximum overcurrent factor is A. 75%, B. 125%, C. 300%, D. 400%. Number 26. True or false? Overcurrent protection for batteries can be located as close as practical in unclassified areas only. Well, that just about wraps up this episode. Thanks for watching and have a great day.